Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And we're actually outside Cold Stone at UN Corner, eating ice cream. It's a Sunday evening in Kenya. And this actually, you know, I just keep reminisce of Jamaica. When I used to be in Jamaica, it used to be like taking out girls on dates. I used to bring them to Devon House to eat ice cream and stuff. And you know, a Sunday evening, Saturday evening.
It's like the best in Jamaica.
Yeah, it's like when you go to chill and eat ice cream. It's just like a thing that people do every Sunday evening in Jamaica. Even in Jamaica, in the home, we normally buy ice cream. And after Sunday dinner, like when you're watching the news, when you're watching your favorite movie, you'll pour some ice cream and eat. So it's just like a thing,
It's a tradition.
like a family thing, So I'm here in Cold Stone at UN Corner. We're about to drive out, and I'm just gonna check out some areas in you know, on this stretch that I see some streets I always want to visit to see what it like. So I'm just gonna drive through and I'm just gonna share that with you family. So like, share, and comment on the video. Miss Jam Tours, are you enjoying your ice cream?
And you can see I'm really enjoying it. I don't want it to finish.
Yeah, so Miss Jam Tours actually
I'm eating it
have
very
ice
slowly.
cream cravings, and she actually bring me along with her. I'm not a big ice cream fan, but it's a Sunday evening, so
They normally say when a woman is pregnant,
I'll just enjoy.
when she's craving for something, even the husband is involved. So, join me in my cravings. Thank you. Oh,
This is the corner of Cold Stone,
crushed the butterfly.
and it's very creative. But normally you get the cone in your hand and you eat it and stuff. But I think this is very creative and nice, family.
And they have different.
It's like a coconut cone. That's coconut in it.
So this is coconut.
Which one is that one? Look like it has nuts in it and stuff.
Looks like it's nuts. And then there's one with rainbow.
Ah,
The rainbow. They're called rainbow colors or rainbow toppings. That one.
okay. Yeah, family. So let's go.
I saw the H. I was wondering.
Yeah, family. So now we're gonna go on some stretch. It's some streets beside the US Embassy. I'm just gonna check it out to see what it looks like, family. So let's go. Let's go with Jam Tours. Jam Tours, the tours of all tours. Come tour with us.
So this is UN Avenue. This is where the
Oh,
thing was.
the pipe burst, yeah. Because it was just a pipe.
Yeah.
So we're not here return, the other one.
So there are two lanes. There's this one and there's that one.
Alright, let me
the
go.
embassy?
Let me go and see where this one take us.
Oh, and then we'll come out.
We'll come out and see. Alright, so this is so
Lane one.
where we're going, family, is actually just behind the US Embassy, family. The US Embassy is next door, and we are actually just behind it. So we're gonna see what it has. It's our first time on this street. So we're just gonna see what they have on this street, family, on this stretch. Let me see. That's the embassy there, as you can see.
This is Embassy of High Commission of India.
High Commission of India is right here. As you can see, guys, a lot of foreigners you'll see walking around here.
Diplomatic Police Unit.
Oh, diplomatic, okay. Let's go all the way up. Kenya Police Service.
Maybe this is where they live.
Oh, this is where they
camp.
Oh, the camp, okay. Oh, the police, yeah, the police, okay.
But
Wow.
I've seen an officer actually live it.
And them have them kids and things, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, that's where they, I never know that's where they live.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, family, so we'll see where this road take us. Just driving through. And as you can see, the type of vehicles around this area. There's a spa, Serenity Spa. You ever heard of the spa yet?
No.
Serenity Spa, there's a spa around here. I think maybe this one maybe take us back on the other road.
Yeah, we'll come back on it, won't you?
Oh, yeah, I think that one will take us out.
Yeah.
Let's see.
UN migration.
UN migration and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, family. So we're just taking it around to show you what it likes in this area.
There's a restaurant.
There's a restaurant here. UN migration.
I think it takes us home.
Take us out back. I think we might cut us out back.
I'm sure it's cutting somewhere.
It's cutting somewhere. On the main, maybe connect back on the main. This is where? This is back village market, no?
It is.
Okay, family.
Village market from the back.
So you take us out back on village market.
Yeah.
So it's nothing big, hard to express. Yeah, family, they take us. Okay. This is our village market there. And this, where is this? This is where? Comfort Gardens
here.
Hotel. Okay.
There's another one here.
There's another one there. Mega Hotel. Oh, it's a hotel here. Or this is village market, sweetie.
This road is taken out. You remember, okay, when we are going to park, there's a road that is normally on our, you see, Gate E delivery.
Ah.
Gate F delivery. This is village market.
Okay, so this is village market. Okay. This is village market, family. And the back.
At the back, you can see them.
Yeah, the back of village market.
You see? Now, this is the parking of the rooftop.
Ah.
Now you'll be entering.
So
the
people
village
coming
market.
from Runda actually come through this.
Yeah.
And I should take this road then. Let's take it. The village market, what it say? Friday.
Village market rooftop.
Rooftop, okay.
So when we are parking down there at this hotel that Dave Money normally shows, it's called Tribe.
Okay.
So you normally see some cars coming from down there. So this is the entrance.
Pakistan house.
Wow. Now I can see the flag.
Oh, it's Pakistan house. Maybe it's some diplomat live there.
Yeah.
Hey family, so we're coming back on this road that we see here. I think this is where all the diplomats live.
Yeah, it looks so far.
Maybe this piece of plot is for the US Embassy. I don't know.
Most probably. Oh, this is just behind, huh?
Yeah, it's just behind it, a big plot.
So if we want to go to village market, continue is this road.
Yeah, family, so we're just roaming around.
Looks like there's a barrier there, or it's for trucks.
Yeah.
I'm sure I can pass.
Yeah. He's doing a delivery.
He said that
Baby sitting down and eat out.
He said that with the delivery. Oh yeah, it's for trucks, not to pass.
Oh yeah. So no truck supposed to pass here.
Yeah, you can pass. So,
Yeah, no truck supposed to pass.
United Nations Crescent. No, where is where? Jehovah.
So where should we go? Left or right? Which way instinct to go, sweetie? Left or right? Maybe right take us out back.
He said he's taking us back, so what do you think? Are we getting it then?
Let's go this way and then come back out this way. So let's see what's down here. This is a legal Arab state mission. Arab League. Nairobi Water Commission.
Is this a medu?
Yeah, these are all the maids. All of this place is diplomatic place. All of these people are diplomatic unity. Let's go back. We go run and run in a circle. Let's go back, family. Let's go back.
I don't know why I'm hearing these stretches. And I'm in a car. The place is so secure because, I mean, I'm sure here security is very tight. Is this US Embassy? Somebody died, huh?
We go down and take us back home. We actually take us home.
And you've seen officers there, so obviously security is tight here. It's very big. You might think it's an industry.
Yeah.
But I think it's a factory. But I'm sure all these people, maybe they live in these houses here behind.
Yeah, all of these people, yeah.
Oh, this is the road. Going back home.
Yeah, just turn up.
Oh, that's a cafe.
Cafe.
Cafe, Wbesite, yeah, something.
Let's go look at the gate. Yeah, families, I hope you enjoyed this little ride with us. Hope you enjoy it. Like, share, and comment on the video.
I wanted to know our neighborhood.
This is Jam Tours Africa. Comment and share the video. This is actually driving through UN Road, Gigeri. Family, so like, share, and comment on the video. Like, share, and comment on the video.
And subscribe. And these people must have been given a very large area to live, eh?
Yeah.
Even that hotel tribe, I just see most people like are foreigners there inside.
Yeah.
So India is just there, good as them.
India Embassy. Yeah, family, so we are out. Like, share, and comment on the video. One love.